Well, you guys know in 2019, Cardi B sued Tasha K for defamation after she was accusing her of some pretty bad things and she was spreading some rumors that were not true. Now, Cardi B did win the lawsuit in 2022, and Tasha K was ordered to pay $3.4 million in damages. So after this, Tasha K did file for bankruptcy, claiming that she couldn't afford to pay Cardi B. So after Tasha K filed for bankruptcy, Cardi B accused her of hiding money, hiding assets, and offshore accounts, and all kinds of things. Well, now Tasha K is accusing Cardi B of trying to financially ruin her and sabotage her career. So it says Tasha K is accusing Cardi B of attempting to financially ruin her and sabotage her career amid a bankruptcy case. In new documents, Tasha claims Cardi is trying to interfere with her bankruptcy by conditioning any debt settlement on restricting her ability to speak freely on her platforms. This follows Cardi B's filing last month questioning Tasha's financial situation and alleging she's hiding money through offshore accounts despite owing $3.4 million for a defamation judgment. Tasha insists her bankruptcy case should stand. So basically, Tasha K feels like Cardi B is trying to sabotage and ruin her career. So anyways, people in the comment section said, I don't know much about this blogger or what she said, but it seems she talked about Cardi's kids, and that is what pissed her off. You cannot defame someone, then get mad when you lose a civil lawsuit. If she's hiding assets, that will be revealed in bankruptcy. It's never a good idea to commit a bankruptcy fraud. Someone said, Tasha K tried to ruin and sabotage Cardi's career, so she shouldn't be complaining. Another user chimed in and said, Cardi not taking her foot off Tasha's neck, and I ain't mad at her. Tasha isn't smart, and she doubled down when Cardi threatened to sue her, and now she want to cry wolf? Nah, babe. Someone else then chimed in and said, I really don't care for Cardi B, especially with her antics, but I hope bloggers like Tasha K start to get buried. The same for all parasite bloggers on YouTube who make all these false claims and spread so much misinformation. In the comment section, you could clearly see a lot of people was on Cardi B's side, but not per se on Cardi B's side, but they wanted Tasha K to have some kind of consequence for her, saying what she said about Cardi B. So moving on to the next topic. So I'm sure you guys know Jayda. She released a new lip kit for her new beauty brand, and a lot of people have a problem with the price. So it's priced at $70, and some people feel like it's too expensive. Some people feel like it shouldn't be that much, but a lot of people feel like, well, if it was Kylie Jenner, Rihanna, y'all wouldn't be saying anything about the price, y'all would just buy it. So Jayda decided to clap back, and here's what she had to say.
I keep saying why the lip kit is $70, but the lip kit is $70 because it comes with 3 items. 3 items are considered $20, $20, and $20. Y'all don't gotta buy it. Oh God, you don't. Oh, that shit selling. That shit selling, twin. It's good shit. Once you get it, you're gonna buy more. But if you don't want to buy it, go stick to y'all NYX and y'all other stuff. I don't care. I ain't forcing y'all to buy it. But when you do get your hands on it, you're going to like it. You're going to love it. You're getting 3 products, 3 good quality products for the cost of one thing. So, of course, I couldn't make 3 products $20. You ain't got to buy it, though, respectfully. Hey. What's a good price for quality lashes that make you look pretty like this? Because y'all saw how I just got on this live looking popped. Now I look cute. I look like I could go on a little date or something. I look real cute. I look presentable. Before it gave very much. What are you doing? $45, $20. Get the fuck out of here. It comes with a mirror. It comes with the real packaging has like a note from me. And then the back says, it has the heart, but it says something really cute on it. I'm not going to tell y'all. And it has, this will last you. Okay. This will actually last you. And the glue, it comes with the glue, the seal. See, I'm not going to use the seal only because, well, I'll just use it because I'm on.
Well, people in the comment section started saying things like, she said the lip kit is $70 because it comes with 3 items, $20, $20, and $20. That is $60. Someone said, bad marketing. Why you talking ish to your potential customers? Just convince people why they should shop with you. Someone else said, they sell this lash kit on Amazon. She just put it in a cute package. Another user chimed in and said, do they challenge Kylie and them about their prices? This girl bothers no one. Can't afford it, then it's not for you. Ain't for me either, lol, but leave her alone. Someone else said they find bum wholesale vendors and pop their label on it in cute packaging. I don't blame her though. Y'all be so fanned out buying from these girls. So hey, my thoughts and opinions on it is if you can afford it and you want it, then buy it. If you don't want to buy it, you don't have to buy it. Some people come into saying, oh, it's too high, I don't want to buy it, this, that, and the third. Them 3 items are not worth $70. Then you don't have to buy it. But at the end of the day, everybody is entitled to their own opinion. So I can't say anything about people commenting anything negatively about it because everybody's entitled to their own thoughts and opinions. But saying like, oh, I don't want to pay $70 for it, you don't have to. She's not forcing you to pay $70 for it. It's for the people that like her brand and want to try it out. If you don't want to, you simply do not have to. But you guys, let me know your thoughts and opinions on these topics down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.
I'm gonna put butter in the bottom of our pan. I'm using a skillet. I love y'all too. Y'all say my thing is too watery? That's what the box said add. You need to add more pancake mix. What if I add flour? Because I'm doing what the box said. 1 cup. Add more mix. Okay. You guys know more than me. Now, if they too thick, we're gonna have a problem. My heart, why you just say one word, one word, one word. It's still too watery. Alright, well, we're gonna have to work with what we got at this point. What if I add flour? No, it's thick now. It's a lot thicker than it was. I'm stressed. Don't be stressed. Don't be stressed. We're gonna figure this out. That's good. I ain't doing a job no more. All right, here we go. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. It is not too watery, y'all. Hush. Have some. Stop being so low vibrational. It's literally doing it. Calm y'all ass down. Y'all gotta think, this is not regular pancake mix. It's protein pancakes. So y'all, stop. So cute. I like the edges. It's like a little star. Yeah, it's like, please, go away with that negative energy. All right, so that was the first one. We did pretty good, okay? Let's taste it. Period. It's like a funnel cake. Okay.